Alright, copy. Situation, temperature and weather. We have a high of 80 degrees expected for tomorrow and a low of 51. There's 0% chance of precipitation. Low of 51 is going to be cold in the morning, so what you guys need to check for formation is make sure all of your guys have their fly pro off, alright? So they're already wearing it when they first get up, so make sure they have that off when they first wake up too. Alright, enemy forces. Contact with SAP forces is not expected. Friendly forces. Higher unit 2 levels up. 11th Regiment conducts first aid and FORC training on 14 July 2013. Higher unit 1 level up. Bravo Company, 11th Regiment conducts first aid training vicinity grid Echo Tango 3 0 4 8 2 1 9 0 on 14 July 2013 in order to develop soldiers for the upcoming deployment to Ethiopia. Adjacent units for the 4th platoons are located in the adjacent fence in the Bravo Company area. Some considerations, none. However, entry into the Alpha Alpha is restricted to military personnel with valid identification. Detachments, none. Mission. Bravo Company, 5th Platoon, conducts first aid training in vicinity grid 3 0 4 8 2 1 9 0 on 14 July 2013 in order to prepare soldiers for the upcoming Ethiopian deployment. Say again, Bravo Company, 5th Platoon, conducts first aid training in vicinity grid 3 0 4 8 2 1 9 0 on 14 July 2013 in order to prepare soldiers for the upcoming Ethiopian deployment. Execution. Purpose. Enable cadets to develop first aid skills. Key task, validate first aid skills. And my personal key task is maintain full accountability of all personnel and sensitive items. Alright, scheme of maneuver. Alright, well this time put down your pen and paper and orient yourself on my terrain model. It's going to be a 3-phase operation, alright? Phase 1 starts in the, y'all bring it in a little closer, Phase 1 starts here in the Alpha Alpha. That's where we're at right now. Alright, we're going to SP here at 0525. That is a hard deadline. We're leaving. We're going to go out the east gate, and then we're going to turn northward onto the road directly outside the gate. Head up there ways, and then the first aid site is up there. It's about a 1.3 kilometer march. As y'all can tell, we did some topography on this model. There's a big hill on the way there, so make sure you guys are hydrated when they first get up in the morning. They're ready to do that 1.3 kilometer march, because there's some terrain we're going to be going over. And we need to keep that speed up so we can get there on time. We're going to arrive at the first aid site no later than 0615. That's our link up time. We'll be at the first aid site, being led by them after 0615, no later than 0630. From 0630, this begins phase 2. 0630 to 1800. They're going to be dictating what we do. It's going to be first aid training though. 1800, 1830, going to move back here. Regimental orders start at 1830, and that is phase 3 of the operation. Task subordinate units. We are going to have to give up cadets tomorrow for chow detail and MRE draw. However, the first sergeant, the platoon sergeant will expand upon that more later. Risk reduction. All right, you need to make sure y'all are getting your guys to stretch out tonight. All right, we've been doing a lot of marching, so people, you know, they're gonna be in for hurt if they're not keeping stretched out. I saw you all checking feet earlier. That's good. If you haven't done so already, check out your guys' feet today and make sure you check them tomorrow. Okay, if we have time at the first aid site. If not, as soon as we get back here. If you need moleskin, talk to the PSG. He'll figure out a way to hook you guys up. Make sure you guys are keeping warm tonight. It's been cold the last few nights, and if people are having trouble keeping warm, bring it to our attention so we can get them the proper equipment that they need. Make sure you guys are tracking that if they hear 3 blasts from an air horn, that signals a real emergency, and they need to be cognizant of that. And above all, make sure you guys are hydrated tonight. All right, hydration is crucial. This time I'm going to turn it over to the platoon sergeant to brief the sustainment portion.
Alright guys, right now what I want to tell you guys is Class 1 is Sierra, Mike, Romeo. As you guys probably saw the detail, we got Jimmy Dean's for breakfast, we also have MREs for lunch, and finally we're going to have a warm meal again. I'll explain times on that about tomorrow, a little bit later. Class 2, our uniform. Tomorrow, it will be your PC, your flick, your camelback, iPro, TACSOP, and SOP packet, as well as your poncho in your left cargo pocket. Poncho in your left cargo pocket. Now, in your assault pack, this is a new SOP. Your Kevlar or ACH will be inside your assault pack. It is a health hazard, so that's why it's in there. If your fellow soldiers cannot get it inside their assault pack, either teach them how to pack a little bit tighter, help them out with that, or help them reevaluate their mission essential items that they're bestowing away. Also in the assault pack, you are going to need your knee pads and elbow pads, gloves, and your MRE. Class 5, we won't be having our weapons, so don't worry about that. Class 8, medical. The medical tent is going to be open tonight until 2200. Tomorrow from 05 to 07. This was sent down also that if somebody does need to go to the medical tent, first you see what their problem is, and if it does require to go to the medical tent, you need to get with one of our platoon TACs to escort them up there. Supply, water. I need you guys to have everybody fill up all their water tonight. We're not going to have a whole lot of time to mess around tomorrow morning. We're at the training site right away. So fill up their water now, and also this is a water buffalo we'll be able to have access with once we're up at the training site. So have everybody fill up their water now. Trans is feet, service is none. Okay, we are in charge of weapons guard and roaming guard tonight, as well as gate guard. Gate guard is from 2000 to 2200. And we're in charge of the latter half of that. We're doing half-hour shifts. So after dinner, I'll coordinate that with you guys once I get you guys all in formation, all right? So let's not worry about that right away. Weapons guard, tonight, well, I guess tomorrow morning, from 04 to 05. All right, we need 2 people for that, and 2 people for roaming guard, which is at the same time. Do you guys remember which squad had roaming guard last night? Did anybody in your guys' squad have roaming guard? Second squad did? I know we did. First squad, you guys? First squad. All right. Well, this is what I'm gonna do. First squad, I need 2 for you for weapons guard from 04 to 0430. Second squad, I need you 2 guys from 0430 to 05 for weapons guard. Third squad, I need 2 people from 04 to 0430. And fourth squad, I need from 0430 to 05 for roaming guard. The uniform for that is full battle kit, flick, camelback. We don't have weapons, so just that, all right? Tonight we are doing weapons turn-in. It begins at 2100. As you can see, I laid out a timeline for the rest of the evening. Dinner will be done, and everybody will be back here in our assembly area at 2045. We will start moving into formation at 2050. Keep in mind it's going to have to be an alphabetical eventually, so try to remind your squad of the people that they were around in the other times that we've done this. From 2100 till our actual turning time, which is 2140, I'm going to be making sure that each one of you guys in your squad has their weapon ID'd with what I sent out earlier, as well as send out MREs and Jimmy Deans for the day, all right? So after we get alphabetical order, we're gonna move out, turn those in, and what lights out is at 2200. So we have tight timeline, so that's why I wanted to get everybody back to dinner so fast.
All right, I just wanted to point out one time hack that we have I forgot to mention earlier. 0530 is going to be our first formation. It's going to be a platoon formation. We're going to be outside tent 2 in our usual spot tomorrow, 0530. So have all your guys out there on time. All right, command and signal. Location of the commander. The company commander will be located with 5th platoon. I myself will be located in tent number 2. Position of command is myself, the PSG, and then 1st squad leader, 2nd squad leader, 3rd squad leader, and 4th squad leader. And that's all I've got for you guys. I want I want a confirmation brief from y'all after chow, because I don't want to keep you guys any longer. As soon as we're finished, I'm going to meet up with you all and brief you on, ask you a couple key things before you go to your squad. I want to be moving between y'all as you brief your squads to just double check that's all going smoothly. Do y'all have any questions at this time?
Yes. Can you repeat the phases?
Yeah, alright, so phase 1 starts at 05 and lasts until 06:15. And that's basically from the AA to our link-up site. Phase 2 is just the entirety of first aid training. And then phase 3 is the regimental orders, which begins at 8:30. Just to clarify what I said a minute ago, after chow, I want you guys to brief me on the mission that you're going to be giving to your squads and your task subordinate units that you're going to brief out to your squads, if any. So I'm going to do a back brief right now. Alright, Cypher, what are you going to be doing tomorrow, 05:30? You yourself.
Me myself at 05:30?
Yeah, tomorrow morning.
Reporting to you at formation.
Okay, roger that. Dagger, what time are you going to have your people out for roving guard today?
04 to 04.
Okay, roger that. Alright, no more questions? Alright, cool. Let's out to your squads after dinner, and let's get over there.